HP-100 should be used to pump gasoline blends up to E15, diesel blends up to B20, or kerosene. HP-100 may also be used to transfer hydraulic fluid, transmission fluid, or motor oil from 10 weight up to 30 weight. To install HP-100 on your fuel drum or tank, start by cleaning your tank of all dirt and debris. Remove the protective plugs from the pump inlet and outlet ports. Then apply thread tape or pipe thread sealant to all threaded joints, including inlet fittings, suction pipes, and hoses. Insert the inlet strainer into the inlet cover, followed by the inlet spacer. Next, assemble your suction pipe and install the pipe onto the pump inlet port. Extend the adjustable suction pipe to its full length and install the pump on the tank. To install the handle on your HP-100, slide the handle grip onto the pump handle. Attach the handle links to the pump body with a long clevis pin. Secure the clevis pin with a cotter pin. Attach the opposite ends of the links to the bottom of the handle with a long clevis pin. Secure with a cotter pin. Insert a screwdriver in the piston shaft of the pump and pull the piston out. To attach the piston shaft to the pump handle, you will need to choose between two settings. HP-100 has a low-resistance 1/4 gallon per stroke cycle that should be used for higher viscosity fluids. To select the 1/4 gallon per stroke setting, secure the pump piston to the lower hole on the pump handle. The second setting is a 1/2 gallon per stroke cycle high volume setting that should be used for thinner viscosity fluids. To select the 1/2 gallon per stroke setting, secure the pump piston to the upper hole on the pump handle with a short clevis pin. Secure the clevis pin with a hitch clip pin. Flow settings can be changed at any time by repositioning the handle onto the piston shaft using the alternative hole. Next, attach your hose to the pump outlet port and attach your nozzle to the hose. Tighten with an adjustable wrench. To lock the handle to the pump, Push the handle against the pump body. If you have selected the 1/2 gallon per stroke setting, insert a padlock through the top hole in the handle and through the pump's locking hole. If you have selected the 1/4 gallon per stroke setting, insert a padlock through the hole in the handle, that is, first from the top, and through the pump's locking hole. If you have any questions, you can call our support line and speak to a USA-based product support representative in our factory that will assist you with installation, maintenance, repair, and warranty questions. This responsive live service is our legacy and our commitment to you. Thank you for choosing GPI.